In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your PayPal account. This walkthrough is perfect if you want faster verification without relying on traditional bank or card linking, and I'll guide you through each option clearly so you can choose what fits your situation. First, prepare what you need. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions, and have your PayPal login credentials ready so you can move through the process smoothly. Open your preferred web browser and head to the official PayPal website. Before you sign in, double check that you're on the legitimate site by looking for the secure padlock in the address bar. Click Login at the top right, enter your email address and password, and sign in. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner and select your profile icon. It may show your initials or a photo. From the drop-down, choose Account Settings so you can access your account details. Interfaces can vary slightly by region, but the options you need will be in this area. Inside Account Settings, find the Business Information or Account Information section and click Update or Edit. This is where you'll manage the details PayPal uses to confirm your identity and the nature of your account. Review your primary contact information and click Edit to update or confirm it. Make sure your legal name and address match what appears on your identifying documents. Accuracy here reduces back and forth and speeds up approval. To verify using a government-issued ID, upload a clear photo of a valid passport, driver's license, or national ID. Use good lighting, avoid glare, and capture all corners of the document. If both sides are required, upload each one. When everything looks sharp and readable, click Save to submit your documents. If your account requires business verification, open the Business Information section and select Edit. Enter accurate details about your business and ensure they align with any documents you might be asked for later. This step helps strengthen your account's legitimacy. As an alternative method, you can verify using a virtual card. Navigate to PST or PayStore Transfer within your PayPal options, obtain a virtual card, and link it to your PayPal account to confirm ownership. This is a reliable route if you don't have physical banking products available in your region. Finally, review everything you've submitted and wait for PayPal to process your verification. Approval times vary, so keep an eye on your notifications and email for updates. That's how you can verify your PayPal account without using a bank account or credit card. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.